Welcome to our video on making money online. In this video, we will share essential tips and strategies for success in the online world. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just looking to earn some extra income, we've got you covered. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. The first step towards making money online is choosing the right business. There are countless opportunities out there, such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online coaching, and more. Research and find a business idea that aligns with your skills and interests. This will set the foundation for your success. Having a strong online presence is crucial for attracting customers and clients. Create a professional website or blog, optimize it for search engines, and leverage social media platforms to expand your reach. Remember, building a brand and establishing credibility are essential for long-term success. To make money online, you need to offer something valuable to your target audience. Whether it's a product or a service, make sure it solves a problem or fulfills a need. Focus on providing quality and value, and your customers will keep coming back for more. Marketing is key to reaching your target audience and driving sales. Explore different marketing strategies, such as content marketing, social media advertising, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Experiment with different techniques and analyze the results to find what works best for your business. The online world is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay updated with industry trends. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and join online communities to stay informed. Adapting to changes and embracing new opportunities will keep your online business ahead of the competition. To maximize your earning potential, consider diversifying your income streams. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky. Explore multiple revenue streams, such as affiliate partnerships, sponsored content, online courses, or even creating and selling your own products. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. Stay consistent with your efforts and don't give up easily. It's normal to face challenges along the way, but persistence is key. Keep learning, adapting, and improving, and you'll achieve success in the online world. Congratulations! You now have the essential tips and strategies to make money online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals. Use these tips, take action, and embark on your journey to online success today.